The lesson today, inshallah, is about indefinite noun and definite noun in Arabic language. Or as we say in Arabic, الاسم النكرة والاسم المعرفة. الاسم النكرة والاسم المعرفة. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this. Thank you. And let's see first الأسماء النكرة. الأسماء النكرة indefinite nouns. Okay. الأسماء النكرة. الأسماء النكرة are names given in general to a living or non-living or common nouns. Common nouns. So, for example, if I said رجل, رجل means a man. A man. Okay? It's not specific man. It's just a man. Any man. رجل. It's nakira because it's not specific. And if I said also imra'atun, imra'atun means a woman. Any woman. I don't mean specific woman. Any woman. Imra'atun. So it's nakira because it's not specific. And if I said kitabun, kitabun, kitabun means book. I don't mean specific book. It's just a book. Kitabun. And if I said jabalun, jabalun means a mountain. Okay? I don't mean specific mountain. So rajulun or imra'atun, kitabun, jabalun, all these are asma'un nakira because they are not specific. They are not specific. Okay, so let's see the next one. Al-asma'u al-mu'arrafa. Al-asma'u al-mu'arrafa or definite nouns in Arabic language. Definite nouns. Al-asma'u al-mu'arrafa. What are definite nouns or what are al-asma'u al-mu'arrafa? They are proper names given to certain person, place, or an object. Okay? So, for example, if I said Nuhun, Nuhun. When I say Nuhun, it will come to your mind the Prophet Nuh. So, it's specific one here. You know, Nuhun. And if I said Makkatu, of course, it will come to your mind this place. Because you know it. Mu'arraf. And if I said Al-Qalamu, okay, so I'm talking about specific pen. Al-Qalamu means pen. So I'm talking about specific thing. In opposite, if I said Qalamun, only Qalamun, it will be Nakira because it's not specific. But these names, Nuhun, Makkatu, Al-Qalamu, are specific or Asma'un Mu'arrafa. Asma'un Mu'arrafa for you. And that's the end of our lesson today, inshallah.